Hi everyone, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do what we call a jean hem, which is basically a double rolled hem. You see it on things like jeans, casual clothing, etc. And I just wanted to explain how to prepare for it and then how to actually execute it. So let's say this was my jean fabric. Usually it's about a 1/2 inch finished or 5/8 inch finished. So you want to have your hem allowance double that, because this would be like my 1/2 inch, let's just say 1/2 inch. And then this is my other 1/2 inch, right? So you're going to end up losing a full inch. So the first thing I do is press my first 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to roll that to the inside. This is my wrong side of the fabric. And then I'm going to roll it one more time, double rolled hem like that. And now I'm going to stitch really close to this edge. As you can see here, it's very, very close. You can use your regular foot. You would just want to line the edge of the folded edge to the inside toe, or you can use a compensating foot. So since I know a lot of people don't have the compensating foot, I am going to show you how to use this foot. Okay, so you're going to slide this folded edge as close to the inside toe as you can. Hand crank down one time and make sure you are close to that edge, and just go slow and roll it along the edge. Now I'm using the number 2 stitch on the like a little bit over 2 on the industrial, and I'm going to show you also what happens if I make it a little larger. On jean hems, sometimes they are larger, and in the contrasting threads more for aesthetic and decoration, but you can see here I've got a little larger. And then I'm just going to keep going to the end. And the whole goal is to keep it really nice and neat at the edge there. I think that's enough. I'll just remove it from the machine and show you the other side. So on this side, you see the difference in the stitches. I started out small here, and I think for jeans you kind of want to go a little bit bigger, or let's say a jean jacket, or something that feels heavy or like workwear. We use this stitch. So this is the back, and this is the front. And that's it for your jean rolled hem. There's the front and there's the back.